Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to transfer USDT from your Telegram wallet in 2025. If you're new here, USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a reliable choice for crypto transactions without the wild price swings. With Telegram's wallet feature evolving rapidly, transferring USDT has become even easier and more secure. Whether you're sending to another wallet or exchanging for other assets, let's break this down step by step so you can do it confidently. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Telegram installed on your device. Open the app and head to your wallet section. It's usually found in the menu or by searching for Wallet. Once you're in, locate your USDT balance. Telegram Wallet supports various blockchains, so double-check that your USDT is on the correct network, like Tron or Ethereum, to avoid any transfer issues. Next, tap on your USDT balance and select the Transfer or Send option. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. This is crucial. Always verify the address twice to prevent sending your funds to the wrong place. If you're unsure, you can use Telegram's built-in address book or QR code scanner for added accuracy. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Keep an eye on any transaction fees displayed. In 2025, these might be minimal thanks to improved blockchain tech, but they can vary. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your PIN, biometric ID, or 2FA for security. After that, sit tight. The transfer should process quickly, often in minutes, depending on the network congestion. You'll get a confirmation notification once it's done. Pro tip: always check your transaction history in the wallet to ensure everything went smoothly. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Telegram wallet in 2025. It's straightforward, but always prioritize security to protect your assets. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.